Well, STM was formed in 1991 to produce different solutions for Turkish, especially for Turkish armed forces and Turkish defense industry. So now actually we have quite many products in many different areas, especially for marine systems, for example. And then we have some products in the autonomous systems also. And we still continue to give consultancy services to Turkish defense forces and Turkish defense industry especially. Well, in LAAD, our main expectations are related with our marine programs. We have been kind of the main contractor of biggest main programs in Turkey. And then we have started to give some services to other countries also. And we have made some important exports. So we want to enlarge our systems and our exports to different countries, especially in South American countries also. So it's one of the main reasons. And we would also like to introduce our different programs like our autonomous systems and through-the-wall radars and similar programs. We have plans to have some partnerships in Southern Asia and maybe in Brazilian countries also. So I will give some brief information about one of our latest programs and projects. This is Cargo. It's a suicide drone system. So it uses artificial intelligence, and so once you throw it to the air, it has the capability to recognize the enemy targets. And with the help of the controller, you have to select which target you want to attack and so on. And then it has the capability to dive quite fast and take control of the enemy. It can destroy it in a quite effective way. And we have some plans of developing this kind of systems and make much more complex and effective solutions in this area, in autonomous systems also. Actually, we have started working on swarm modes also. It will not be a single solution. Actually, we have some surveillance drones and so on. With the help of the surveillance drones, and these drones will work in swarm mode operation, and then with the usage of artificial intelligence also, then we will have much more capability and capacity to attack enemy targets much easier. Well, first of all, I should mention that it's designed all by ourselves. It's an STM product, and the production is also being made by STM. It has the IR cameras and so on to increase the capability of enemy detection. And as I said, it has artificial intelligence. It has the capability to detect the enemy targets much more easily and effective. And it's quite silent drone, and it can work quite high and dive very fastly with a very steep angle. So it's very difficult for the enemy targets to detect the drone and destroy it. So until you destroy it, it's much faster and it throws the enemy target already. It's being used up to 5 kilometers away. Its range is quite high, and it goes up to 800 to 1 kilometer height. And as I said, it dives up to 60 degrees of angle, which is quite rare in such kind of products. I should mention that we are quite talented and have huge capacity in marine systems also. We're working on quite many military surface ship programs, and already we are working on submarine modernization programs and so on. We want to continue in those areas as STM. As you can see here, we have our own submarine design actually, and in the future it's one of our goals to enhance the design and build our own submarines, and then continue on the modernization of the surface programs and naval programs also.
Vestel Defence Company is a platform company mostly working on the UAVs and the naval platforms. Currently we are here for especially our UAV systems, and we will show our UAV systems to all the regional countries here. We established approximately 15 years ago, and currently we have a very wide range of the UAVs, and currently we have several operations in the world, not only in Turkey. So we would like to extend our areas, including the South America as well. So this platform and this fair is very important for us. As the friendly countries, Turkey and Brazil, it is very important to be here in Rio, in LAAD exhibition. I would like to especially emphasize that we are sure that we can create opportunities not only in Brazil but also in the friendly other countries in the region. And also, since we have very high technology on this one, and we know that Brazil have very good technology on the aviation, we can make the common works together, and also we can make some technology transfer to here, and we may make the production here for the region countries from that country. So therefore this exhibition is very important for us and our company. This is one of the UAVs and the latest one. It is armed one, and it is the very good product in the field, in the UAV field. Totally its weight is around to 630 kilograms, and we can carry approximately 200 payload. It can carry up to 200 kilogram payloads, including the cameras and also munitions. We can carry up to 120 munitions in the flight, and it can fly up to 20 hours. Moreover, we have the icing system. It is very important to operate very bad weather conditions. In addition, the icing system, we have the lightning protection as well. It is a very good to fly to very bad weather conditions as well. Currently, we can carry two different munitions and produced and designed in Turkey, the Mamle and Mamce munitions. But currently, we are integrating a few more different munitions. And according to our customers' requirements, since the all software and the all design belongs to us, we can add any other munitions as well without any problem. This UAV is developed under the NATO STANAG standards. So you can use this platform with any other NATO platforms without any problem. Currently we are making business not only on Turkey but around the world as well, in the Asia, in the Africa, and also in the Middle East regions. So we will extend all our business in that areas, and currently we have very good business these areas and these countries as well. And South America is very important for us, so we will extend our business in addition to other markets, beginning with this exhibition, I think. As a Vestel Defence companies, we are two companies. Currently, we are making business 8 of top 10 defense companies in the world. We already have such a business, so we are very open to make much more partnership with the international defense companies as well. And we are planning to make that kind of partnership with Brazilian defense companies as well.
My name is Zafer Özkan, and I am the Director of Engineering Team for Havelsan's Command, Control and Combat Management Systems. Havelsan is a company established in 1982, and is a company of Turkish Armed Forces Foundation. We are producing products, system solutions for Turkish Army and Turkish governmental institutions and also the private sector. Mainly, we have 4 divisions in Havelsan. We are producing solutions and products. One is command control and defense technologies. The other one is training and simulation technologies, and information systems for the civilian sector. And the 4th one is the cybersecurity and national security solutions. In this exhibition in LAAD, we are showing all our solutions, but the most solutions that people all more like is the parachute simulator. Latin American defense environment is new to us. We are expecting to introduce ourselves, our solutions, our technology, and the solutions and projects we have done in Turkey and in the different parts of the world. And we can introduce ourselves, and we try to establish connections with Brazilian or Latin American companies or governmental institutions or army institutions, and try to understand their needs and what we can help them to solve their problems with our solutions. One of our main sectors is the training and simulation technologies, and parachute simulator is the smallest simulator that we can take here and show people. In parachute simulator, the aim of the system is to train people without jumping from a plane. Yeah, well, of course, the main purpose of the simulation systems is to simulate the real environment. In Turkey, our army uses the simulators to train before going to the plane, and with the virtual reality glass and with the mechanical system, they really feel themselves like flying. Perhaps you can see over there, and they can use the turning instruments, and he sees with the glass the ground and the place to go into the right place, and he is really pulling up, and he can really feel and train with the parachute. For the command, control and combat management systems, we are producing combat management systems for different platforms, especially for the Navy, for the ships and the submarines. And as we know, in Brazil, you are now making your own Navy ships, and in Turkey we are also producing our own national ship. So we can take our experience and our technology and our solutions, and we can make some agreements with Brazilian army, and we can transfer our technology perhaps here. Our expectation is to take our experience to here. And for the also submarines or for maritime patrol aircrafts, we are modernizing them for Turkish Navy, and we can do it for Brazilian Navy also.